Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the lesson number 20, Breeding and Biotechnology. Now we are going to discuss about the topic animal breeding. The animal breeding is a biotechnological method to arrange or to produce the different animals. So first, what is meant by breed? So breed is a group of animals that arise from a common origin. Then the species, they are having distinguishing characters. So that is called it as a breed. In this breeding technique, the matting of parents or matting parents of different varieties that has a desired triad or a characters. That characters are transformed from parents to offspring or passed to offspring. So this is called as a breeding technique. The next, objectives of breeding. So in this objective, the breeding technique to improve the genotypes of domesticated animals to increase their yield, at the same time the quality of producing milk, egg and the meat products. Then the breeding technique takes place between the animals of same breed. So that is called as a inbreeding. The breeding takes place between the same breed. So that is inbreeding. Outbreeding means the cross between two different breeds. So that is called as a outbreed. So this is the types of breeding technique. The next, inbreeding. Already I said inbreeding means that is the matting of closely related animals within a same breed. So this is the inbreeding. In this inbreeding technique, they selected superior males and superior females are identified. Then they matted in a pairs. So finally we get the new breed. So the breeding occurs in a 4 to 6 generations. So in this inbreeding technique, it helps to accumulation of superior genes. At the same time, it eliminates the undesirable genes. So this is the usage of inbreeding technique. So what is a depression? So the continued inbreeding technique reduce the fertility and productivity. At the same time, it eliminates the recessive genes. Then next, outbreeding. So outbreeding already we discussed, that is a breeding of unrelated animals. Then finally we get the offsprings. So that offsprings are called it as a hybrids. So in this, hybrids are stronger and vigorous than their parents. Then they taken the two different breed. So male donkey and female horse. So they mattered. Finally the new hybrid is produced, that is a mule. So this new hybrid mule is a superior to horse in a strength, intelligence and the ability to work, at the same time resistant to diseases also. So this is the outbreeding technique. Then next, heterosis. So heterosis is one of the technique. It is used to produce the superiority of the hybrid, that is a high quality hybrid. So that is called as a heterosis. What is the effects of hybrid vigor in a animal breeding? So we have to increase the production of milk by cattle. At the same time, we produce the production or increase the production of egg by poultry. Then we have to produce the high quality meat. At the same time, we have to increase the growth rate in domesticated animals. So this is called as a heterosis. Thank you.